Angus McColl. I was born in Scotland, and in 1928 I emigrated to the United States in November 1954, and then I went to the University of Wyoming. I kept being asked to take more wool courses, and I kept thinking, what do I want with wool courses? I know we had wool in Scotland and we had sheep, but I didn't think it was something I was all that interested in. However, there was an old Scotsman there who was the professor, and he was my advisor, so he kept pushing me into wool. And I finally got to where it seemed like it wasn't all that bad of an idea. Well, I was offered to work on a master's program at the University of Wyoming, and I decided I would do that. And I'd done quite a bit of work on it, and I got an offer to be the wool specialist for the Western United States by US Testing Company. I took the job, and I was there for about 2 years, and it was a large company, and Yocom and I decided to open a wool testing lab, and so we formed Yocom-McColl Testing, and we opened the lab in January 1964. After we got going, Ira Yocom retired, and I took over the business. We were still working in projection microscopes, which was a very slow, tedious operation, and there was a lot of resistance against doing micron testing, but we kept working with people, and the mills started understanding that they wanted micron testing, and so we developed a pretty good operation with the microprojections. That's what brought a lot of people into doing more testing, was because they could see it used to be that if you could get any more than your neighbor for your wool, you had a good year. As far as going forward, I don't see how a renewable resource like wool can be ever completely rebuked. It's a fiber that we've had it's been forever. So I think that it's going to be forever still.